Welcome back to Royal Grand Motors. Today we take you on a cinematic journey through a stunning mid-entry luxury motor coach built for travelers who expect absolute comfort, quiet engineering, and private jet elegance on the road. As our camera glides across the exterior, the polished body reflects passing light like liquid metal, while slim LED runners outline the coach with a soft, futuristic glow. Slow drone sweeps show its sculpted profile, cavernous storage bays, and the perfectly balanced proportions created by the mid-entry design. When the automatic door opens, LED steps illuminate like a runway guiding you inside. The front lounge feels like the cabin of a private aircraft, with plush leather seating, floating cabinetry, soft tinted windows, and warm ambient strips flowing across the ceiling. The captain's chairs rotate smoothly to join the lounge, creating a social hub ideal for long road days, cozy movie nights, or slow, scenic travel. Every function, lights, climate, blinds, entertainment, and energy systems, can be controlled through sleek touchscreen panels that blend cleanly into the walls. With the mid-entry layout, the cabin feels naturally divided. Social space forward, private retreat in the rear, both wrapped in luxurious textures and serene lighting. Step beyond the threshold, into a realm of unparalleled luxury. The gourmet kitchen is not merely a space, it is a statement, forged with quartz and silent cabinetry, concealing power in its hidden induction zones. Journey further, guided by light, into a sanctuary of renewal. A spa-inspired bathroom awaits, where a rainfall shower and heated floors transform routine into ritual. At the end of your passage, the master suite reveals itself, a haven of absolute comfort, crowned with a king bed under sculpted light. But beneath this opulent surface lies a heart of pure engineering muscle. A quiet diesel engine and adaptive air ride suspension don't just conquer the road, they command it. As dusk falls, the coach transforms, glowing with the majesty of a land-bound yacht. This is more than a motor coach. It is a declaration of freedom. Thank you for experiencing this masterpiece with Royal Grand Motors. Subscribe for more visions of luxury. Travel with purpose, arrive with presence. We'll see you on the road ahead.